Got the lucky tackle box in today. Same thing as the mystery tackle box. We're going to do a really quick unboxing. So let's get right to it. Open it up. Got the nice wrapping in there. Some information. Got your golden ticket. And of course, the nice wrapping. So I'm gonna let you guys see if I can get it here. See what's in here first. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Everything just fell out. Alright, so here we go. Where's the card? Lost the card. Alright, so let's go through this list real quick. First one is going to be the Balsa Shad by Bagley. Where did that one go? Balsa Shad, there we go. There it is. So we got that right there. Balsa Shad. Let's see here. Balsa Shad 05. Doesn't really give any colors or anything. So, it's a 3/8 ounce, dives 8 to 12 feet. So, pretty deep diving bait there. Pretty small. It's almost like a chartreuse and a sexy shad color on the top. But this bait retails for $9.49. That's kind of hard to believe. Pretty pricey actually. All right. Next we have the Extreme Vibe by Vicious. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So you got a lipless crankbait here. Not a bad, looks like a sexy shad color. Vicious Extreme Vibration, 65 sexy, yep. So, very cool looking bait. Looks like a 1/2 ounce, 2.5 inch, and it's sinking. So, definitely use some more lipless cranks. Very cool. And this retails for $4.29. Moving on, Lake Lunkers 5-inch finesse worm. Where is that guy? It's an odd looking color. So to me is weird looking color. I'm not quite sure where to use that, but you never know. I'll definitely give it a shot. See if we can make that work. There you go. This bait retails for $5.99, and that's the 5-inch finesse worm. So, what we got next? Buzz Bug by Monster Twister. Buzz Bug. Got some more soft plastics here. Never heard of these guys before. Let's try. Let's take one out here. This is like a craw. Looks like a craw almost. Got some pinchers there. Looks like the top part's like a green pumpkin, and the pinchers are different color. Looks like they got some blue ones in here too. All of them are different colors. Alrighty. So, and that retails for $4.49. That's the Buzz Bug. Alright, moving on. We got some Daiichi hooks. Alright. These are... What size are these? Offset. They look like a 3/0, I'm guessing. Oh, it's assortment size. There you go. This retails for $3.50. Moving on. Let's see what we got in the back. Raw 10B swim bait. Which looks like it's this guy right here. Alright. It's a good looking swim bait. Good nice bill up front there. probably use some bigger treble hooks. But not bad. I think these bass where I live are getting ready to spawn here soon. So maybe throwing this around the bed or around that area could get them to bite and catch a nice size fish. So, alrighty, that retails for $9.99. All right, last on the list we have the Native Series Snake Crank by Primal Chase. Looks like a little tiny little crankbait, kind of oddly shaped, but Primal Fishing Lure Company. Not a lot of info on it on the box. This retails for $9.99. For $9.99, you know, I'd like to see maybe some info on there, but there you go. The Native Snake Crank. And as always, your Fish Hound magazine. Your Lucky Tackle Box sticker. I've already got this sticker, but I like that sticker actually, so I'm going to throw that on something else. And they threw in a scent of Bait Mate Fish Attractant Live Bass Ultra Concentrated Formula. Increased scale flake, amino acids, the hand scent. So there you go. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't checked out my other video, definitely check it out. I'm doing a state challenge for the kayak bass fishing. I'll go ahead and link it up on top of here, and it'll be linked at the back of at the end of the video. Definitely check that out. I caught two 5-pounders back to back. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe. Tight line, guys.